Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Making this video today because I finally hopped on the Warby Parker train. And they are a company, I guess they have stores, which I didn't realize a long time ago when I watched a Nicole Guerrero video where she did a try-on box. From Warby Parker, and they're online. You can go in, set up an account, and you've got 5 days to try them on and check them out and see what your friends think, and then you've got to send it back, which they provide a return shipping label inside the box. I've had these for like 5 years. I thought it was time to check something out and get something new. So I definitely want to check it out. It's really awesome that it's free. Most of their glasses start off at a baseline of $95. They've got a couple different price ranges. Some of them do get up there in price, but I think like the highest starting point of the highest is like $295. And I think that is for progressive lenses where you've got, you know, distance, the close-up, and bifocal. They also offer all kinds of other neat lens options, and I will try to insert some footage when we get to talking about all that. The lenses come stock with anti-glare, anti-scratch, anti-smudge. For $95, you're getting your frames, your prescription, and all of those fun things that normally cost extra for $95. There are other options in there that cost extra money, but just one of the first things that you do when you're signing up on Warby Parker is you are going to create like a little profile, and they're going to ask questions about like your face shape. And one of them is like a petite, so small little face, a medium face, and then a wide face, I guess. Color options and frame material, and so of course you have an option for this material or metal frames, and I'm just not really a big fan of metal frames, so I opted to not choose that. The next thing was choosing colors and patterns that interest you. I basically chose every color option except for black. I don't think that black frames personally would look good on me. I don't want to commit to it all the time of just having black frames. So when you're done picking all of those things, you know, they pop up with a selection of glasses to pick out for try-on, and in there was black frames, or at least one pair of glasses that I'm gonna pull out in here, because they were in that. And you know, as someone who was just barely starting a profile, I didn't realize you basically could just kind of bypass the selected frames that Warby Parker personally thinks would be of interest to you, and you can go into their entire collection and in the filtering system just simply choose, you know, what style of frames you're interested, what color you're interested, what fit you're interested in. And you can also, there's a section to filter only frames that are available on try-on. So I should have bypassed that and gone into, you know, the filtering system so that I could look more at things that I was interested in. But I don't really care because it was fun to try on this one pair. This one pair that was selected for me was like a cat eye style frame, which I've always been interested in, but they showed it to me in just black, and it also comes in tortoiseshell, which I prefer. I haven't really seen a lot of people doing the Warby try-on boxes much. I know that I did see a few people who posted a couple weeks ago some videos on YouTube, which was really fun, but a lot of them are from like a year ago or more. I'm late to the party on Warby Parker, but I'm really pumped about it because I also did not know that when you get to picking your frames and all the details pertain to your prescription and everything. Ooh, fun fact. your prescription expires 2 years after you get your prescription. Warby Parker will not fulfill your order will sit there. They won't cancel your order or anything like that. But they will send you an email if your prescription is out of date, and you will need to update it. So, fun fact, you can go to an optometrist and you can ask for an appointment that's called a refraction appointment. And basically when you go into a refraction appointment, they really just update your prescription. I have an appointment soon to get my prescription updated, and it's going to cost me like $35-40, which is great. I don't have to do the entire exam. I don't have to get my eyes dilated or any of those things. So it's really sweet that it's convenient to update your prescription and then just be able to upload it to your order at Warby Parker, and then off they go. They make your glasses. Prior to receiving my try-on box, I started browsing online some more options because I was pumped and I was like, oh, I'm going to try on all these glasses and then I'm just going to immediately send it back 5 days later and want to try on more frames. And as I was browsing, there was a particular type of frame that I was interested in shape-wise, and I do have it in this box, but it's not the color scheme that I am interested in, though it is pretty neat. There was a limited edition frame in there, and I'll insert a clip of it that I am so pumped about. It's just really neat, and I really want them. So even before I tried on the Percy frames, which are in here, I saw this limited edition frame and was like, I'm buying it. So I went through the entire process of ordering it. I got it all situated, but then I got an email from Warby Parker, of course, saying that my prescription was out of date and they would hold on to my order until I updated it, which I thought was really fantastic, and they're very helpful. The information is on the website, squirrel, of sizing differences, what the comparative info for petite, medium, and wide fits are. So I did ask them because I wanted to make sure that I was getting the type of fit that I was interested in. So all of the glasses that are in here are a medium fit, and that is based on my profile information. All you do for your try-on box and whatever, just go to the filtering system, click the fit that you want, make sure they're the ones that you're interested in are available in that size. And even though I have my face shape set as medium in my profile on Warby Parker, I can go in and try on wide fit. I can choose a petite fit if I want, medium fit, all of that stuff. So, anyways, you get this box full of goodies with fun little things. Ooh, we have a 1-year no scratch guarantee on our lenses. We'll gladly replace any scratched lenses for free within 12 months. That's awesome. So here is the return label that they give you for free. Costs them to ship it back, which is fantastic. I don't have to worry about it. Inside the box, you've got this cute little tray with all of your glasses in here, and they're all individually wrapped in plastic bag, like a little Ziploc bag, and they have the information sticker on them, so I can tell you what each frame is named and what the color is and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to take these beasts off, set them to the side, and we are going to dive into these frames. So the first frame that I'm going to pull out is called the Louise, and it's in the color jet black. When I posted on my Facebook page to see, who was interested in what frame the most, a lot of people were interested in the Louise because it is a cat eye shape. And I was interested in it as well. I just wish that it was in tortoiseshell. So this is what they look like, if it will focus on it. Jet black. And one of the things that I noticed when I was trying these on is that some of the lenses like non-prescription and some of them seem to have a slight prescription to them. But I really like the cat eye. I really like that the top of the frame, there's like, it gives some space for my eyebrows to be prominent and beautiful and out there. And it fits my face really nicely. I don't know. What do you think? These are the Watts frames in the color Sugar Maple. So these are similar to tortoiseshell. I think the coloring in them is really pretty. I'm just like a super fan of it. I'm not mad at the shape of it either. But when I put them on, everyone said hard nope. And again, these are a medium fit, and they do fit my face really nicely. I'm not mad about it. I just like oversized glasses. I love tortoiseshell. I just think it looks really good on me. I mean, I think it looks good on everyone, but I like the pattern of it. It's just really neat how it's all broken up, but this is not tortoiseshell. What do you think? So the next ones are the Keen sunglasses in Beach Glass. Now these are a slaty gray blue color, and I love gray. I love it so much. I think that all the colors that end up in front of gray just pop and look more vibrant and lively and fantastic. Gray has been just the most incredible value ever to making my eyes just sparkle all the time. I also did some research, and that this color comes in a different styled frame called the Jennings, and it's a little bit of a bigger frame style, and I think that if I was going to get a pair of glasses in this color, it would probably be the Jennings, and I look forward to trying to get the Jennings in my next try-on box, just so that I can be like, yep, getting those next. So this is the Keen, and it's in this really pretty gray, blue, slaty color, and I live for it. And then, like, I put them on my face, and I live for it even more. Let me get closer. Oh, stupid glare. See, if I tilt my head down, you can't see my eyes. Super love this color a lot. Like, I love it so much. The angle that I'm sitting at with my camera just makes all of the frames kind of look like they're really close to my upper lid, but they're not. It's just glare, and I can't change it. It's the way it is. I do like the shape of these, and again, they're like a medium fit, so they do fit my face very well. I just want to try on the Jennings because I just know that I'm gonna like the frame. Like, it's gonna be bigger, and I want bigger. I want bigger. The next pair that we're working with is a bigger, more square but rounded frame, which I was interested in, and I will show you a comparison side by side of these glasses and my current glasses. Hiya! So, these are the Vons, these are my glasses. Mine are quite large. These are the Von frames in the Eastern Bluebird Fade. And these are really unique because they are two-tone. And they have the same type of coloration as the Watts with that like sugar maple that we were looking at. So it's not quite tortoiseshell. And on the bottom half, it's got the sea glass color. So I think that they're so cool. So these are the Vons. They've got that same blue slaty gray on the bottom. And they do come down quite far on my face, but they don't even touch my cheeks until I smile. But what do you think? I liked them. But they are very similar to my current frames, and they do, I mean, even though they have a straighter top, and there's much more room between like my brows and the top of the frames. They're still very similar to the ones that I already have and have had for like 5 years. So I kind of want to change it up. The last ones that I'm going to try on are the style of frame that I am buying in the limited edition frames. They are the Percy, and they are rose crystal with Riesling end caps. Rose crystal. Look at how pretty it is. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. So, what do you think? I actually think that the color, this rose color, complements me very well. I think I probably would have success maybe with the yellow type crystal ones as well, but I think that's because I've got freckles. So I've got like multi-tone, undertone action happening on my face. I really like these. I've always been interested in the clear crystal frames. It really opens up my eyes. I like the little bit of tint of a color to it. I don't know. I like them. I think they look really good. Also, some of the pairs of glasses that I've been trying on, which I forgot to mention, this right here is a keyhole nose bridge, which is really neat. It'll be the first pair of glasses that I own that have this keyhole. It's really unique. Like, it doesn't rest directly on the bridge of my nose, which I think is really nice. It just rests on the side of my nose, and I think that's really wonderful. I think, you know, any of you should definitely try it on. I think it's really, really amazing. You can also snap selfies and like hop on Instagram and tag Warby Parker in them, and they will give you their honest opinion of what they think of which frames look best on you. I look forward to my appointment, my refraction appointment, to get my prescription updated. I look forward to finalizing my order and getting those in. Thank you for watching. I hope it was sort of helpful, even though I was squirreling. And if you have any questions and or interests in what you think which frames look best on me, sound off in the comments. And until we meet again in another video, thanks. Bye.